Hey everyone, and today I'll show you guys how to downgrade the iPhone 5C to iOS 7, 8, and 9 today. So let's get started. In order to downgrade the iPhone 5C to iOS 7, 8, and 9, we will need Legacy Kit. Link in description. However, I will also leave the links to most of the iPSWs. If you want to go all the way back to 7.0, you will need to go to this link right here. Once you guys get here, find your iPhone model, 5C. Here we go. Mine is 5,3 GSM. This is for the global version. Once you find the 7.0 iPSW, just click the link here to download it. We're going to go to the Legacy Kit folder that we downloaded. Now we will go into Terminal. Go ahead and drag the restore.sh file into Terminal. When it asks you to, go ahead and install the updates and the command line tool. Go ahead and connect the phone to the computer. Click Return. Alright, here we go. Click the first option. Then we're going to click Tethered. Select iPSW. I'll be doing 7.0. Click Start Restore. For jailbreak, click No. And for memory option, also click No. I'm going to go ahead and send my phone into recovery. Alright, we're going to select Yes for DFU mode helper. Hold both home and power until the power is off. Release power and keep holding the home button. There we go. And now what it's going to do is start creating the custom iPSW. Alright, the restore will now start. Just leave the phone connected for the entire process. This delay is normal. There we go, waiting for device. What you really want to look for is when it says waiting for NAND. That means the restore has now successfully started. The device should now be in recovery mode. Go ahead and run the script again. Click Just Boot. We're going to select the iPSW, which for me, it was 7.0. Going to hit Just Boot, and yes for DFU helper. Hold the home and power until it turns off. Release the power and keep holding the home button. There we go. And now the device is now starting up. However, if you guys are downgrading to 7.0 through 7.0.6, you will need to use iTunes or Finder to activate it. If you guys are running 7.1 or newer, you guys can still activate the phone normally through setup. And there we go. The phone has now started up. I'm going to go ahead and connect the phone to Finder to activate it. Activating. Once we get the no SIM card installed, the phone is now activated. My iPhone has now been downgraded to iOS 7.0. Let me go ahead and get all my apps installed. Alright, finished getting all my apps installed on this phone. And my favorite is Musically. That is how you downgrade the iPhone 5C to iOS 7, 8, and 9 today. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you next video. Peace out.